Good morning, student. Today we are going to study issue of share. In this chapter, very important topic that is called oversubscription. My dear student, what is the meaning of oversubscription? First of all, you have to understand. Let's take an example here. When company is going to issue 1 lakh shares, okay, and application was received 1,20,000. My dear student, here company is going to issue 1 lakh shares, but application was received 1,20,000. This is called oversubscription share. So, how to solve this problem? Okay, the company is going to solve by 3 ways. First of all, he is going to reject all the excess applied, you can say that company is going to refund excess application money. Okay, company is going to refund excess application money. And the second option is that company maybe take or retain this amount, okay, for calls in advance. Okay, my dear student, calls in advance. This is the option number 2. The first option is that company is going to reject or company is going to refund the excess application monies towards the customer. Now, the second option is that company is going to retain the excess application money as you say that calls in advance. And the third option is that when company is going to take option number 1 and option number 2, it means you can say that it is a partial option. You say that company is going to either some part of application money is going to be refunded and some part of application means money is going to utilize for calls in advance. That is correct. So in this situation, company is going to make the pro rata allotment. I will discuss this pro rata allotment in next video, but first have to understand what is the meaning of oversubscription. So here I am take one question. In this question, Good Company Limited invited application for 1 lakh shares at the rate of 10 rupees each. In this question, this application money is 3 rupees, 3 rupees allotment and balance. So in this question, what is the given? Balance when they require. It means you are not going to pass a journal entry of calls area. You have to pass only the application entry and allotment entry. So this is the question in which 10 rupees going to be in the form of installment. Okay, my dear student. So first journal entry I am going to write here. Already I have written. The first journal entry is that bank account debited to share application. So you have to multiply 1,20,000 instead of 1 lakh, because some of the you have to write here in the date column. Maximum student utilize this column as for multiplication. So what is the value? 1,20,000 multiply 3, that is 3,60,000. It is correct. So you already know this journal entry, my dear student, no issue. Okay. This application money journal entry pass bank account debited to share application account. So you have to write the narration also, share application money received. Now the second entry, that is called transferring entry. In this transferring entry, you observe the question mentioned that the excess application money is going to rejected. It means company is going to of the first option, that is called refund option. So no issue. You have to say that here what is the issued capital, 1 lakh multiply 3. How much the company is going to refund? 20,000 multiply 3. So here you can able to understand it is a very important journal entry. When company is going to transfer only 1 lakh into 3, that is 3 lakh rupees is going to transfer into the capital account, and 20,000 into 3 is going to transfer in to the customer. It means it is a refund. Okay, it is a refund. Okay, my dear student, it is a refund. You may be right here 60,000. Now you can write the narration that application money is going to be transferred into the capital account and excess money is going to be refunded. Now the second installment is that allotment. Simple, no issue. The allotment entry is already due entry. So you have to multiply 1 lakh multiply 3. What is the value? 3. Again 3. So you write down 3 lakh. Okay. You very clearly, because most of the students always try to copy this 1,20,000. No, my dear student, only the due entry you have to see that issued number of capital. Okay. Now the next is that what is the bank entry? If there is no any calls in arrear, it means the value of due entry is remains same. So you have to just write down here 3 lakh rupees and put it the narration that allotment money received. So my dear student, it is a very important. So you can say that over subscription means when excess application money received. इसको हम ऐसे भी कह सकते हैं कि जब कंपनी के पास एप्लीकेशन मनी एक्सेस हो जाता है तो उसे ओवर सब्सक्रिप्शन कहते हैं इस सिचुएशन को। तो कंपनी के पास 3 ऑप्शन है। पहला ऑप्शन, वो एक्सेस एप्लीकेशन मनी को रिफंड कर सकती है। दूसरा ऑप्शन, वो एक्सेस एप्लीकेशन मनी को वो रिफंड नहीं करेगी, वो कहेगी कि मैं अगले कॉल्स में इसका यूटिलाइज कर लूंगा। ठीक है। और ऑप्शन नंबर 3, दैट इज द कॉम्बिनेशन, ये दोनों का कॉम्बिनेशन होगा, ऑप्शन नंबर 1 एंड ऑप्शन नंबर 2। कहने का मतलब है कि कुछ शेयर का एप्लीकेशन मनी हम रिफंड कर देंगे और कुछ शेयर का एप्लीकेशन मनी को हम लोग क्या करेंगे, बचा कर रख लेंगे कॉल्स इन एडवांस के रूप में। ओके माय डियर स्टूडेंट, आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड वेरी वेल। थैंक यू।